Soil EC and temperature meter. Know the parts. This reliable soil meter measures temperature and EC, has an ATC function, shows battery strength, is IP67 waterproof, and it's lightweight and easy to carry. It also lets you switch the temperature unit. Comes with a high-quality probe. And runs on battery power. This soil meter provides quick, reliable readings to help you monitor soil conditions with minimal effort, making it an ideal tool to measure various applications. Set includes our standard packaging. Soil EC tester. English manual. And batteries. Learn more about this item and its specifications.